last weekend, I had a great insight into this explorative research prototype from Microsoft called MagenticUI. I wanted to explore what is it all about. So I went ahead and tried to implement it on my machine to see how its multi-agent system worked in my own containerized environment. So in this video, I will explore some of the capabilities of Magentic UI, and what impressed me the most is the Websurfer agent. Before we go to the next step, let's take a quick moment to learn about what Magentic AI and some of its native capabilities. So this is a research prototype from Microsoft. Um, this is based on AutoGen framework. It has multiple agents as its at its arsenal, and one of the agents is the Websurfer. Websurfer allows us to act as a AI assistant that can crawl to a website or browse a website by clicking on some of the links and scrolling pages and getting the information from those pages. So I wanted to explore how this will play out. So a quick word of caution: this is a research prototype, and it is not meant to be used as a production use case. So let's take a quick look at its demo and some of the key points that I took away. Okay, so before I jump onto the Magentic UI part, I wanted to quickly show you what this use case entails, meaning in what situations this will come into handy, just like my personal AI agent for my personal activities at home. So a simple query that I asked a GPT-4 model that I'm playing with in my playground is find the IMAX movie timings for the new Jurassic World movie that I want to go today for a nearby zip code. The moment I ask this particular query, I get the result back from the LLM saying that, oh, I currently don't have real time internet access. And it gave me a list of websites that I can go to find that time. Right. So a little bumped, but let's see how we can solve this problem using this web server from Magentic UI. Okay, here is the UI that is provided by the Magentic UI, and I have a new session here, and I ask the same prompt or the same query here, and let's see what it does. The first thing it does is it tries to generate a plan, and it asks for a user input as part of a human interaction, and I accept the plan. It's gonna go initiate a Docker container. In this case, I have used Ubuntu as the underlying distro. So it kicked off using the Docker desktop instance and a browser on that instance. It went to Fandango website and is trying to fetch the latest timings for Jurassic World movie in IMAX. Right. All right. Let's see what it comes with. Okay. Looks like it is. It has provided me that given the time it has, there you go. That's the final answer. For July 7th, today is the day that I wanted to watch this movie, and it fetched me the timings for the Jurassic World. So that seems pretty handy to me. I really love how it was able to interact with live websites and able to fetch the relevant information that I'm looking for.